Alright guys, coming out to the creek. Gonna go check it out and see. I know we had all that rain, got the water's muddy and all. But it's time to start checking again. It's getting that time. Alright guys, you guys stay tuned, and once we get to the water and get on the fish, we'll get back to you. There we go. There we go. There's a crappie. Yeah, buddy. There's a crappie. Let's let him go. Where you been at, bud? Been waiting for you. There we go. There we go. It's a bitty bitty crappie, but it's a crappie though. Ooh, it was a bite. Felt that one. Couldn't see the float, but I felt it. Still back in there. Still back in there. There we go. There's a nice one. There's a nice one. Oh yeah, there's a keeper. There's a keeper. Wanted that jig. You see that? Wanted that. What I'm talking about right there. Keeper size. So I was just throwing it inside there and doing a slow retrieve. You can't see down in there, so you just got to watch your line, and you'll feel the thump in your line sometimes. Ooh. That was another bite. There it is. There he is. Not a big one. Not a big one. It's a crappie though. It's a crappie. Belly fat. They eating. They sure are eating. Yeah, I'm just doing a slow retrieve, real slow. You'll be able to feel it when the crappie hit it. You can see the reel. It's doing real slow. That jig will come across that crappie, he'll get it. It'll be a reaction. There he is, right there. There he is. Oh, there he was. There he was. He got off. All right. It was like right there. he is. Oof. Oof. Man. Come on now. Yeah, he was a nice one, that one. The one I just got off was a nice one. There he is. There he is. There's a crappie. There's a crappie right there. That's what I'm talking about. This one here is doing the trick. Doing the trick. So I changed colors. I had the white with the green chartreuse tail. Now I changed to this darker color with the chartreuse tail. And they seem to be liking that right now. Just doing a slow retrieve. There he is. There he is. There he is. Not any big ones, but it's a crappie though. Let's let him go. Alright, let's get it back in there. Let's get it back in there. They're in there. They're in there. Like once you figure out how deep they are or how shallow they are, it's game on. If they're still there, you'll catch them. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. There's another one. Let's let him go. There we go. There we go. There's a keeper. There's a keeper. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Wanted that jig. One of that pescando con Roger jig. This one right here, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Today's 10 to get in. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, almost 11 inches. Take it, I'll take it. Oh, Mr. Crappie. There we go. There we go. There's another nice one. There's another nice one. Let's bring them in here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Ooh wee. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yes, sir. Going in the bucket. Yes, sir. All day. We'll take it. We'll take it. Pescando con Roger Jig, boy. Putting in that work today. Putting it in. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie. Don't make it, but there's a crappie. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. We just took off running with it. Poor little guy. Done yanked him out of the water. This little guy. Just let him go. Poor little guy. I wasn't paying attention and it scared me. He pulled on it and I pulled back on it and yanked the fish out of the water. There we go. There we go. There's a nice crappie. There's a keeper. There's a keeper. That's right. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. The keeper. Going in the bucket. He was right by that tree that was in the water over there. There we go. There we go. There's crappie. Throw male crappie. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh yeah. Just a little bit over 10. 10 to get in, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Crappie aren't stacked in here, but there's a few in here. They haven't fully came into the creek yet. Not this one anyways. There we go. There's a crappie. There's a crappie there. See if it's recording. Yeah, it's a crappie. Let's let him go. Yeah, it was like a real light bite. Didn't take the cork down or anything.